To love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to be loved by the person you love is everything.
So, you know, it's a special day because of the wedding, but it's also another reason. It's a special day because they made it happen. In spite of all the things in the way, travel restrictions, you can't find venues, you can't get together in groups. Yesha, Bhanu, Indrajit, thank you all for working so hard to make this happen tonight.
There aren't enough words to describe just how amazing Yesha is. Yesha is one of a kind, and Bhanu, you're a very lucky man. And of course, we're also very lucky that you have our Yesha's heart. When Yesha told me about you, I couldn't stop smiling. It's really hard to find someone that you can be comfortable with, someone that you can trust with your heart. And I'm just so happy that you both have found each other and that you're going to grow together through this journey that we call life.
One of the most amazing things about her is that somehow, without using many words, she still manages to have an incredibly profound impact on the people around her. Especially me. She's the type of sister that slept on the floor of a really small, tiny apartment for a week when I was unwell, and she took care of me.
I was 12 years old when Bhanu was born. As an older brother, watching him go from an infant to a teenager, and now a gastroenterologist completing his training, he has done so much and accomplished so much and made all of us proud. That being said, in continuing his streak of great accomplishments, his latest is marrying Yesha. Yesha is a wonderful person who perfectly complements and completes my brother, and I'm happy to say that she's fit into our family seamlessly. The future is surely bright for these two, full of promise, and it comes with our blessings.
All of this is to say that Yesha's the type of person that counts when it really matters and always tells you the truth. And that's a trait that is truly rare to come by. For those reasons and so many more, Bhanu, you're so lucky to have her as a life partner. We're also incredibly lucky to have you join the family, and I'm thrilled to have you as my new brother.
Thank you to my parents for
being there for me from the very beginning, and unconditional love and support. My brothers and sisters, nephews and nieces, thank you.
What I've learned from being your big brother is unconditional love. I've always known that I love you unconditionally, but I never knew that you loved me unconditionally. Not until, when we got, when I was in college, and how much you missed me, and when I left, and how much you used to cry, looking out the window when I left. My parents always talked to me about it.
Yesha is really fun and brings a bunch of excitement to your life every day. But when you're on an adventure with her, she also makes it feel like home. And I think that is such an incredible quality in a person. And I'm so glad she's found a partner to share that with, and someone who also mirrors all her best qualities.
I'm so very happy for Bhanu for finding Yesha to share all his experiences with going forward, all the good and all the bad. So I wish you two all the love and blessing in the world for whatever adventures lie ahead, and I wish upon you nothing but happiness and prosperity in your days to come. I love you guys, and cheers.
I know that you love my brother the same way he loves you with his whole heart. Yesha, I'm so grateful that my little brother found the love of his life. Seeing the two of you together always makes me smile. I can't help it. You're a perfect match for each other.
So congratulations, Yesha and Bhanu, on this very special day. And I also want to welcome Indrajit ji, Shushma ji, and your families. We're looking forward to having more get-togethers, more fun together, especially when the babies come and the grandkids.
I think that both of our parents and our families and friends have really summed up just how incredibly thankful and happy we are to have you all celebrating with us today. I would not be who I am today without Jaya, and I love you, and thank you for getting me to where I am today and on the journey and the path to meeting Bhanu.
My new family as well.
Thank you so much for welcoming me with essentially the same unconditional love and basically just making me feel a part of the family as well. You know, none of today or yesterday could have happened without you guys. You guys did everything, and that means a lot. Thank you so much.